30KHz Rotary Ultrasonic sewing machine has the same working principles as 20KHz sewing machine. It is working through a high-frequency ultrasonic vibration. Those high-frequency vibrations create huge energy and heat. When that energy and heat works on the surfaces of objects, then the objects will melt and welded. That's how ultrasonic works. Through this welding demonstration video, we can see clearly how fast, speed, and stable welding effect of our device works on Hanspire automation. Keep moving ahead and never settle down. After working with us, you will love to work with us. Welcome to contact us if you are interested in, and you are always welcome for free testing with your materials.